alphabet, you didn't know this. Letter U. U. And yeah, right, you got it. It's a vowel. It's a vowel. And it makes three sounds. The first sound is like in up. The second sound is U, like in use. And the third sound, this one's tricky. You kind of have to act like that. You don't feel good. You say that? Like in put. That's the third sound. You see the 3 on top.
I alphabet you didn't know about the letter S. Did you know that the letter S has 2 sounds? Yeah, it's got 2 of them.
I've always just...
Well, we all know size and some.
Okay.
But did you know it acts like a Z sometimes? So, like the word is.
Oh,
and
yes.
Was.
Yes.
So, S has 2 sounds. I alphabet you didn't know that.
And I alphabet you didn't know this. Y. They say sometimes Y when we go through the vowels, but that's not really true. It's actually most of the time Y is a vowel. Very rarely is it a consonant. But Y makes 4 sounds. First sound is Y. That's when it's a consonant, like in yet. The second sound is I, like in my. Next sound is E, like in key. And the fourth sound, what is it? Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to do this again. I can't remember. Yeah, I-E. Oh, as in myth. I want to do it again because I had to think about it.
Do I as in myth. And I think you can paste that together. So just do.
And the fourth sound is I, as in myth.
That's a big word. That's like that's a hard word to
spell. Look at all the words that we have here.
Wow. I guess letters are pretty amazing.
I think so.
They're versatile.
See you next time.
Okay, wow. Misha, I need your help.
Okay.
I've got a problem.
She's got a problem.
So, they gave me these 2 numbers and they said I have to multiply.
Oh, multiply. Like times, right?
Oh, times.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
I don't even know. I don't know.
Okay.
Let me show you what I think.
Okay, go ahead.
Because, I mean, I don't know. So, 3 times 5 equals, and you're supposed to have them memorized. Mm-hmm. So,
yeah.
I'm okay. I that's the answer. That's the answer.
Okay.
Is that, I mean, I don't know. I'm so confused.
Okay. I know a little bit about multiplication.
Okay.
So I'm going to make mine. This was right. I know this is right.
Okay.
But I think there's another way we could solve it by using that. So let's look here. So we're going to say 3 times 5. And what this means is that we're going to take this number and we're going to add it together this many times. So we're going to write this number this many times. So it's 5 plus 5. That's 2 plus 5.
But this is multiplication, Misha.
But all multiplication is repeated addition. So 5 plus 5 plus 5. And do you know how to count by 5s?
Yeah.
Okay,
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40.
Okay, so let's count by 5s. And every time we touch a 5, we're going to add the 5. So
okay.
We have 5,
10, 15.
So this equals 15, which means 3 times 5 equals 15.
Oh.
What do you think? Who got it right?
faster than the blink of an eye. Able to leap Lake Erie in a single bound. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, it's Secret Silent E. I am Secret Silent E. I stand for true spelling in the American way, and I am here to save all the words. Look at these two lovely words. We have rice and we have range, like a mountain range. How beautiful. Oh no, not the spellbinder, not again.
Ha 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 ha! I see some new letters! Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Look at that one! That's an E with a 3 on top of it. Oh my gosh, that word says range, but I'm taking that E to make that word say rang. Ha 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 ha! Is that, oh, there's another one! Rice! Ha ha! Taking that E because now it's Rick. Ha 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 ha! Good luck with your reading.
No. We no longer have rice and range. We have Rick Ocasek, and the bell rang? Oh my goodness. Oh, help! Secret Silent E, where are you? Here I come to save the day. That C and that G need to make their second sound. It's not Rick, it's rice. And it's not rang, it's range. All right, here I come. Oh, yes. Secret Silent E has once again saved the day. Now the C and the G can make their second sound, so once again we have rice and range. Oh, thank you, Secret Silent E. You are a true superhero.